Guys, amazing return. This coin provide us 300% profit. The coin name is Only1. Guys, Only1, no OnlyFans, okay? Jokes apart, guys, Only1. This coin provide us 300%. I shared this trade in the private list. We bought this coin before the pump for 0.005. Put a sell order up here, 0.25. Guys, 2 cents and a half. We made 300% profit. How I find this pump, guys? Like I mentioned before, my soft track volume spike plus buyer power. Let's go to the charts. Only1, guys. Let's go to the full chart here. You're gonna check right here on November 11, the volume of this coin was $344,000, and November 13, the volume pumped for $1.1 million. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for this volume spike right here. So I shared this trade in the private list on November 14, guys. Remember, 300%. Amazing returns, guys. Coins I shared in the private list this week was Only1 Mintlayer Velas Octokn PIVX VisinGame, guys. 855% profit on this week. Okay, another coin pump was Velas, guys. Amazing returns. I shared this trade in the private list on November 8. We bought this coin for 0.007 and put a sell order up here at 0.016. 1 cent and 0.6. Guys, we made 110% profit. Exactly the same strategy, guys. Take a look at this. Velas right here. On November 5, the volume of this coin was $106,000. And November 7, the volume pumped to $2.2 million. That's insane pump, guys. That's what we do. We track the volume. If you track the volume, we know where the trend goes. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. Also, we can trade for you. Provide you 25% return of investment per week, guys. Get your name on the private list email, guys. Let's trade together because together we are strong. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. tradecryptotime@gmail.com.